42 Couscous with tomatoes, basil and scallions. Couscous is a grain from North Africa that makes for a great way to add whole grains to your day. Ingredients: 2 cups boiling water, 2 cups dry whole wheat couscous, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon olive oil, 2 cups cherry tomatoes, sliced in half, 1 cup chopped scallions, 1/2 cup basil, 1/4 cup basil vinegar, 2 teaspoon olive oil. Directions: 1. In a large bowl, pour in dry couscous, salt and olive oil. Add 2 cups of boiling water over couscous. Give a quick stir and cover the bowl with lid. Let sit and steam for 7 minutes. 2. Meanwhile, chop scallions, basil, and tomatoes and set aside. Whisk together balsamic vinegar and 2 teaspoon olive oil. Take off the lid of the couscous. Fluff up the couscous with fork. Add tomatoes, scallions and basil and drizzle balsamic vinegar dressing. Toss well. 1 fist equals 1 yellow light. Recipe serves for 643 sesame noodles with cilantro and scallions. Try this homemade Kurbo sesame noodle recipe instead of takeout. Ingredients for the dressing: 1 tablespoon vegetable or canola oil, 2 tablespoons sesame oil, 3 tablespoons honey, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon rice wine vinegar. The base: 1/2 cup chopped cilantro, 1/2 cup thinly chopped green onions, 2 tablespoons sesame seeds, pepper to taste, 8 ounces thin whole wheat spaghetti, salt for boiling the noodles. Green light additions, highly recommended: 1/4 cup carrots, 1/4 cup red bell pepper, diced, 1/4 cup cucumber, julienne, 1/4 cup